Hey guys, we got Ultimate number 278. Alright, the Jets, last team to end, September 24th, 2014. Box number 2211-45-538. Is it weird that when I think of number 38, the first guy that comes to mind is Pavel Dimitra? 2211-45-538. Alright, good luck to everyone. Looking for a shield or an Ice Premiers. Alright. Have a patch. See Antiniemi, $4.99 for the Sharks. Eric Gryba, $4.99 for the Sens. Doug Wilson, Ultimate Signatures for the Hawks. And it looks like it's a dual patch. Rookie Zemgus Girgensons for the Sabres. Pretty sick patches, 71 out of 75. 2 color and then I think that's part of the sword on the other side. 3 colors. Nice hit for Buffalo. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.